Shiv Nadar, the visionary entrepreneur and philanthropist. Shiv Nadar is a distinguished Indian industrialist, philanthropist, and the founder of HCL Technologies, one of India's leading global IT services companies. Known for his visionary leadership, innovative thinking, and commitment to social causes, Nadar has made significant contributions to the IT industry and education in India. Early life and education. Shiv Nadar was born on July 14, 1945, in Mulipoji village, Tamil Nadu, India. He hailed from a modest background, with his father being a judge and his mother a homemaker. Nadar's early education was at Town Higher Secondary School in Kumbakonam, and he later attended St. Joseph Boys Higher Secondary School in Trichy. He pursued a degree in Electrical and Electronics Engineering from PSG College of Technology in Coimbatore, where his academic excellence laid the foundation for his future endeavors. Entrepreneurial journey. Shiv Nadar's entrepreneurial journey began in the 1970s, a period when the Indian IT industry was in its nascent stages. Recognizing the immense potential of the technology sector, Nadar, along with his friends and colleagues, founded a company called Microcomp in 1976. Microcomp initially focused on selling tele-digital calculators in the Indian market, marking Nadar's first foray into entrepreneurship. In 1976, Nadar took a bold step by founding HCL, Hindustan Computers Limited, with an initial investment of 187,000 Indian rupees. The company started by manufacturing and selling personal computers and soon expanded into software services and IT consulting. Nadar's vision was to build a world-class IT company that could compete on a global scale, and his leadership played a crucial role in HCL's growth and success. Growth of HCL Technologies. Under Shiv Nadar's leadership, HCL Technologies grew rapidly, becoming a major player in the global IT services industry. The company diversified its offerings to include software development, IT infrastructure management, and business process outsourcing (BPO). HCL's focus on innovation, customer-centric solutions, and strategic acquisitions helped it achieve significant milestones. Innovation and research. Nadar emphasized the importance of innovation and research, establishing HCL's first R&D unit in 1977. This focus on innovation led to the development of India's first indigenous computer, the HCL-8C, in 1978. The company's commitment to research and development enabled it to stay ahead of technological trends and deliver cutting-edge solutions to clients. Global expansion. In the 1990s, HCL Technologies expanded its footprint globally, entering markets in the United States, Europe, and Asia Pacific. Strategic partnerships and acquisitions, such as the acquisition of Axon Group in 2008, further strengthened HCL's global presence and capabilities. Client-centric approach. HCL's employee first, customer second philosophy, introduced by Nadar, revolutionized the company's approach to business. By empowering employees and fostering a culture of innovation, HCL was able to deliver superior value to clients, leading to long-term partnerships and sustained growth. Achievements and recognition. Shiv Nadar's entrepreneurial success and contributions to the IT industry have been widely recognized and celebrated. Awards and honors. Nadar has received numerous awards for his contributions to business and philanthropy, including the Padma Bhushan, India's third highest civilian award, in 2008. He has also been featured in Forbes' list of the world's most powerful people and India's richest individuals. Industry leadership. As a pioneer of the Indian IT industry, Nadar has played a key role in shaping its growth and evolution. His leadership and vision have inspired many entrepreneurs and professionals in the technology sector. Philanthropic initiatives. Shiv Nadar's commitment to social causes is as remarkable as his business achievements. In 1994, he established the Shiv Nadar Foundation, with a focus on education, healthcare, and rural development. The foundation's initiatives aim to create sustainable social impact and provide opportunities for underprivileged communities. Educational institutions. The Shiv Nadar Foundation has established several premier educational institutions, including the Shiv Nadar University, SNU, the SSN College of Engineering, and the Vidyagyan Leadership Academy. These institutions are committed to providing quality education and nurturing future leaders. Rural Development. The Foundation's Vidya Gyan Leadership Academy is a unique initiative that provides free, world-class education to meritorious students from economically disadvantaged backgrounds in rural India. The aim is to bridge the urban-rural divide and create leaders who can drive positive change in their communities. Healthcare and Research. The Foundation supports various healthcare initiatives and research programs aimed at improving public health and advancing medical science. This includes partnerships with leading hospitals and research institutions to provide accessible healthcare services to underserved populations. Legacy and Impact. Shiv Nadar's legacy is defined by his transformative impact on the IT industry and his unwavering commitment to philanthropy. His vision, innovation, and leadership have not only built a global IT powerhouse but have also created avenues for social progress and empowerment. Economic contribution. HCL Technologies has contributed significantly to India's economic growth, creating thousands of jobs and generating substantial revenue. Nadar's entrepreneurial success has also inspired a new generation of Indian entrepreneurs to explore opportunities in the technology sector. Social impact. Through the Shiv Nadar Foundation, Nadar has made a lasting impact on education, healthcare, and rural development. His philanthropic initiatives have transformed the lives of countless individuals, providing them with opportunities for a better future. Inspirational leadership. Shiv Nadar's journey from a small village in Tamil Nadu to becoming a global business leader is a testament to the power of vision, hard work, and perseverance. His story continues to inspire aspiring entrepreneurs and leaders around the world. Conclusion. Shiv Nadar's life and career are a remarkable blend of entrepreneurial success and philanthropic dedication. As the founder of HCL Technologies, he has played a pivotal role in shaping the global IT industry. Through the Shiv Nadar Foundation, he has made significant contributions to education, healthcare, and rural development, leaving a lasting legacy of social impact. Nadar's visionary leadership, innovative spirit, and commitment to social causes make him a true icon of modern India, whose influence will be felt for generations to come.